Food safety audits, inspection, testing, and regulatory compliance. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our food safety consultancy series by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. In part 1, we discussed the fundamentals of food safety and food safety management systems. In part 2, we explored internationally recognized standards including ISO 22000, HACCP, FSSC 22000, GMP, GHP, Food Safety Culture, BRCGS, Global Gap, Halal, and COSAR Consultancy. In today's part 3, we will discuss another critical aspects of the food industry. Food safety audits, inspections, laboratory testing, supplier assurance, regulatory compliance, and export readiness. Whether you are a food manufacturer, exporter, importer, retailer, packaging manufacturer, warehouse operator, restaurant chain, or food processing company, these activities play a vital role in protecting consumers and building confidence in your products. Let us begin. Why food safety audits are important? A food safety management system is effective only when it is regularly monitored and evaluated. Food safety audits help organizations determine whether their processes comply with applicable standards, legal requirements, and customer expectations. Audits identify weaknesses before they become major food safety incidents. Regular audits help organizations improve compliance, reduce business risks, prevent product recalls, enhance operational efficiency, improve customer confidence, prepare for certification audits, drive control improvement. Organizations that conduct regular audits generally perform better during certification and customer assessments. Types of food safety audits. There are several types of audits within the food industry. First party audits. What is this? These are internal audits conducted by the organization itself. Internal audits verify that the food safety management system is functioning as planned. They also help identify opportunities for improvement before external audits. Second party audits. These audits are performed by customers or buyers. Large retailers and multinational food companies often audit their suppliers before approving them. Supplier audits evaluate manufacturing practices, hygiene, product safety, process controls, documentation, traceability, regulatory compliance. Third party audits. These are independent certification audits conducted by accredited certification bodies. Examples include ISO 22000, FSSC 22000, BRCGS, HACCP certification, other internationally recognized food safety schemes. Successful third-party audits demonstrate that an organization operates according to internationally accepted food safety requirements. Now next is supplier quality assurance. What is this? Food safety begins long before raw materials enter your facility. The quality of suppliers directly affects the quality and safety of finished products. An efficient supplier approval program includes supplier evaluation, supplier audits, risk assessment, performance monitoring, incoming material inspection, documentation verification. Organizations should periodically review supplier performance to ensure control compliance. URGS International provides supplier quality audits and supplier assessment services to help organizations build a reliable supply chain. Food safety testing and laboratory analysis. Laboratory testing is essential for verifying food safety and product quality. Testing helps identify contaminants before products reach consumers. Common laboratory tests include microbiological testing, chemical analysis, heavy metal testing, pesticide residue analysis, water quality testing, shelf-life studies, nutritional analysis, allergen testing. Testing provides confidence that products meet customer specifications and regulatory requirements. URGS assists organizations in coordinating laboratory testing through recognized testing facilities and helps interpret results for compliance. Product inspection services. Inspection is another important element of quality assurance. Inspection activities may include raw material inspection, process inspection, finished product inspection, packaging inspection, container loading supervision, warehouse inspection, dispatch verification. Inspection reduces the risk of defective or unsafe products entering the market. URGS International offers professional inspection services designed to improve product quality and customer satisfaction. Traceability and recall management. Every food business should have a robust traceability system. Traceability allows organizations to identify where raw materials originated, how products were processed, and where finished goods were distributed. An effective traceability system supports faster recalls, better customer confidence, regulatory compliance, reduced financial losses, improved crisis management. Organizations should also conduct periodic mock recall exercises to verify the effectiveness of their recall procedures. URGS International assists companies in developing practical traceability and recall systems aligned with international best practices. Regulatory compliance. Food businesses must comply with applicable national and international food regulations. Compliance requirements vary depending on the country and product category. These may include food safety legislation, product labeling requirements, packaging regulations, export documentation, import requirements, hygiene regulations, food contact material compliance. Failure to comply may result in product rejection, financial penalties, export restrictions, customer complaints, brand image. URGS International helps organizations understand applicable regulatory requirements and implement effective compliance systems. Export readiness for food businesses. Export markets demand consistent quality, traceability, documentation, and internationally recognized certifications. Organizations planning to export should focus on food safety management systems, international certifications, laboratory testing, supplier quality control, product traceability, documentation accuracy, packaging compliance, customer specific requirements. Preparing for export involves much more than obtaining a certificate. It requires a comprehensive compliance strategy. URGS International supports exporters through every stage of export readiness from implementation to certification support. Now next is employee competence and training. Even the best food system depends on competent people. Employees should receive regular training on personal hygiene, cleaning and sanitation, cross-contamination prevention, food allergens, HACCP principles, GMP and GHP, traceability, emergency response, documentation practices. Continuous training creates awareness and strengthens food safety culture throughout the organization. URGS International conducts customized food safety training programs for organizations across the food supply chain. Benefits of professional food safety consultancy. Let us see this. See, working with experienced consultants helps organizations implement systems more efficiently and effectively. Professional consultancy provides expert guidance, faster implementation, reduced certification delays, practical documentation, employee competency development, better audit performance, continual improvement support, long-term compliance. With the right consultancy partner, organizations can focus on business growth while maintaining high food safety standards. Why choose URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited? URGS International provides comprehensive food safety consultancy and technical support for organizations of all sizes. Our services include ISO 22000 consultancy, HACCP implementation, FSSC 22000 consultancy, GMP and GHP implementation, food safety culture programs, BRCGS consultancy, Global Gap consultancy, Halal and Kosher consultancy, supplier audits, internal audits, regulatory compliance support, food safety training, documentation development, inspection services, certification coordination. Our experienced professionals work with manufacturers, exporters, processors, retailers, hospitality businesses, warehouses, logistic providers, packaging companies, and agricultural organizations. At last conclusion, we summarize it. Food safety is a continuous journey that requires commitment, knowledge, and control improvement. Regular audits, effective inspections, laboratory testing, supplier assurance, employee training, and regulatory compliance are essential for delivering safe, high-quality food products to consumers. By partnering with URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, organizations can strengthen their food safety systems, improve compliance, enhance customer confidence, and expand into domestic and international markets. If you found this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational content on food safety, quality management, inspection, testing, and international certification. For consultancy, training, audits, inspection, and certification support, contact us URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. This is our WhatsApp number also. We are 24/7 available on WhatsApp. Please first message on WhatsApp for any query. Thank you for watching. In part 4, we will conclude this series by discussing emerging food safety trends, digital transformation, sustainability, ESG in the food industry, and how URGS International can help organizations achieve long-term excellence through world-class consultancy and certification support. Thank you.